Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need a new paint job or touch-up, brake repair, or a tune-up. At Rosen Mazda Waukegan, our collision and service center is here to give you the best service at the best prices. And at Rosen dealerships, you get a free car wash with every service visit, as well as a free shuttle to local shops and attractions. And if you want to avoid the wait, Rosen has express service available with no appointment. Visit us at rosenrosen.com, where you can take advantage of our internet specials and start saving now, order parts, and view our inventory of parts and accessories. And read more about the Rosen Automotive family, where great cars and great people come together. Call, click, or come in for more information. Rosen Mazda Waukegan is conveniently located at 100 North Green Bay Road in Waukegan, Illinois.
Rosen, 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 Rosen.